Hey guys, welcome to a new course. This is what we are going to create. We're going to create the user interface for a traveling app. It's going to be really simple, it's going to be really minimalistic as you can see, and the animation will be really simple too and very smooth. So it's going to be a very fun course to create, it's going to be a very fun app to create, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about travel apps. I'm going to show you some reference. I'm going to show you some images, and I'm going to talk a little bit about designing for an app, just a little bit so that you have some background on this kind of work. And then we're going to move on to the important part of this course, which is the animation itself, so that we can create an animation that it's not so much, it's not so extra, but it has what it has to have, and it's going to be really smooth and really simple animation. So let's begin with lesson number 1.